house of a wire to let the horses run free, playing with the fire till the fire played with me. Stone was semi-precious. We were barely conscious. Two souls too smart to be in the realm of certainty, even on our wedding day. At the moment of surrender, I folded to my knees. I did not notice the passers-by, and they did not notice me. Burn in every black hole, the altar of a dark star. My body is now a begging bowl. It's begging to get back, begging to get back to my heart, to the rhythm of my soul, to the rhythm of my unconsciousness, to the rhythm that yearns to be released from control.